Hello everyone, welcome to Press. Using the default contact from 7, settings and options, we cannot achieve multiple fields on the same row. But using the lean from, we can easily accomplish this. And we call it multi-column layout support. Let me explain how easily you can achieve this. Go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure you have installed the plugin Lean Froms. Then click on the Lean From and click the modules. And make sure that you have enabled the multi-column layouts. Then click the contact from and go to your contact from editor. Which contact from you want to edit. As you can see here that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields and we want to achieve first name and last name within the same row. How we can achieve? Here is your contact from editor. After installing the lean from and activating multi-columns layout support, you will find here row and column. At first, we are adding a row. And here's the row gap to the another row, and we want to keep the default on. That's maybe 16 pixel, and click the insert tag button. As you can see here, a new shortcode has been appeared. This one is the starting tag, and this one is the ending tag. We want to wrap first name and the last name on the same row. So on the end of the last name, we are adding the row ending tag. And starting with the column, we want this column 50% width. So we are selecting the 50% width and click the insert tag. This is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. And copy this one because we want to half of the last name, and also copy this one. Please look at here that where I have inserted the column ending tag. Here is the row starting and here's the row ending. Here is the column starting for the 50%. Here is the column ending. Here is the another 50% for the column. Here is the another, sorry, it is the ending tag of the 50%. Okay. And for the email, we want to keep it full width. So first add a row and add a full width column. Same goes to the subject. Therefore, we are copying on the top shortcodes and on the bottom shortcodes. Same goes to your message. Okay. Hit the save button. Your contact from saved. Let's go to the page and reload it. As you can see here that we have achieved our desired fields on the same row, 2 different entities on the same row, and full width email and subject field, and also the message field. That's how multi-column layers feature work in the lean from.